Boundless Brilliance has chapters at Occidental College, Azusa Pacific University, and Arizona State University. Between our chapters, we have given hundreds of free presentations at schools. Boundless Brilliance is also able to host private events for a small fee. In March, our chapter at Occidental hosted a small event for a group of local Girl Scouts. Our trained college volunteers led the students through science experiments and empowering activities and had them all do their own awesome drawings. Then, at the end, they finished their presentation by having the Girl Scouts repeat empowering affirmations back to them.
I am smart.
I am smart.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am confident.
I am confident.
And right, this is the last one. I am brilliant.
I am brilliant.
At Boundless Brilliance, our mission is to empower young girls and let them know that women belong in STEM and that they can do anything they set their minds to. If you want Boundless Brilliance to come into your classroom, you can sign up for a free presentation through our website. However, if you would like Boundless Brilliance to host your group for a private event for a small fee, please feel free to reach out to us. You are brilliant.